Ford F-Series, best-selling trucks in America for 39 straight years. Why, you ask? Innovation. Crazy smart innovation. Let's go to the highlights. 1977, a leader is born. 1987, hold your horses, anti-lock brakes. 1999, hard work meets Super Duty. 2001, a space entity, the Super Crew Cab. 2010, a beast unleashed, the F-150 Raptor. 2011, the 1-2 punch, Power Stroke diesel engines, EcoBoost engines. 2015, the high-strength, military-grade, aluminum alloy Ford F-150. Stronger, smarter, more capable, more efficient than ever. Innovation. It's why Ford F-Series trucks are the best-selling trucks in America since disco.